Manipur Legislative Assembly unanimously reaffirms resolution to stand against disintegration of Manipur or creation of administrative autonomy in Manipur by Naga peace talk final settlement. Thangmeiban MLA Kumukcham Joy Kisan raises concern over admin listing of non-residents in electoral roll. Chief Minister N. Biren says reminder will be sent to Home Minister Amit Shah to resolve prevailing land disputes between Manipur's Tungjoy and Nagaland's Kezakeno. And Deputy Chief Minister Yunam Joykumar inaugurates 3-day state-level farmers' mela at ICAR complex, Lamphel. Hello and welcome to Impact News, watching Primetime English News. I'm Kangusam Shalir with the top stories and latest news at this hour. House of the 9th session of the 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly today unanimously resolved for the 13th time to protect Manipur's territorial integrity and to stand against the creation of administrative autonomy in the state by Naga peace talk final settlement. House Leader Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren moved Resolution 121 taken by the State Assembly on September 23, 2018 against the same and urged every member of the House to reaffirm the resolution. Responding to the move, the House unanimously reaffirmed the resolution. Chief Minister N. Biren made the move in response to MLA A.K. Mirabai's demand made during the 0 hour of the Assembly session on its third and last day for reaffirming the resolution. Biren asserted that the state government has taken resolutions against the formation of the Territorial Council administrative autonomy in the state for time to time. He said state leaders, including himself along with Kokomi representatives, had met with central leaders and urged them not to disintegrate Manipur by the conclusion of the Naga peace talk held between the Indian government and Indonesian IM. Chief Minister Biren said central leaders have assured that Manipur's territorial integrity will not be affected at any cost and there is no intimation so far from them about the creation of administrative autonomy in Manipur.
Manipur gi asugumba tanja asi laglabnina Autonomous Territorial Council asi piba yaroi haiba akanba resolution hanagi matakta masi hapsanuna akanba resolution ama launa bagi damakta yaragadi sa yaragadi nataba house asina masi yamna maru oire aduna masi aikoigi business advisory committee meeting phambiraga aiko agenda ama oina hayeng nongma action tawbiduna hairiba akanba aiko apunba resolution ama lobagi tangai phadaba leibra haibase lei haibasi south da thamjani
ana aigi motadi akhun pamisi karino manipur gi apun mangakpa akhuna pamisi karino manipur gi hujik leiriba administrative setup kahendana leiba haibaduni thambiba haibaduni protect obiba haibaduni aduna hujiki adugi resolution do honorable speaker na yabiraba aduga house ni yabiragadi adu dum reaffirm torga hena chetlabra ina admaina ai suggestion bi tawje.
During the question hour of the Assembly session, Thangmeiban MLA Kumukcham Joy Kisan drew the attention of the House Leader, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren, on inappropriate enrolling of voters in the electoral roll of Thangmeiban constituency. He stated that some people staying at rented house in Thangal Bazar were found to be enrolled in the electoral roll of Thangmeiban constituency. MLA Kumukcham Joy Kisan stressed on the need to rectify such errors in the electoral roll of every constituency. Responding to the concern, Chief Minister N. Biren said any Indian citizen staying at rental house can get enrolled in the electoral roll with residential certificate issued by the landowners, but enrollment of any anonymous person is illegal. Biren said elector verification program was successfully carried out under Manipur election officer and many errors were rectified. He added that special summary revision of electoral roll will be carried out under the CEO till January 15, which may be extended in consultation with the CEO and other relevant authority. He appealed to all the local MLAs to point out any illegal proceedings in the electoral roll.
tang trang wagi matung da tau daga di adura lakwa game di lawro na masida iri ba ada tang trang ngai si tham phadra bani ada Christmas game le new year lagna ga ni na as early as possible koi thamai ban kisima lokhat piro aduga kana gumba from time to time ngasi si ma bhara da le me ad ma pan ko Indian citizen hapa me bhara si ma to khraga atop da legi ta di masi compulsory delete to gum thok pani sa ai imong da leba ai ichen iche si yum wangkhai da pan ya school pan gi ta di ai automatic delete to so ma chen gi sa similarly ma rian chi matam sil le ma hong gi ta di delete to gudam ne sa aduna kindly instruct to wiro na honorable chief minister na ai si yaraga di within this month itself ta to na ba directive pb ne amtang hai biro adu ga sare ya
border list very important ne koi democratic kano sida de aduna se street ta kari da palai leba ma pan pan su ya bana te ngasagi ownership to masa permanent resident oire aduga ordinary residents kum sidi masagi magi ai gi sida leine hai ba mapu du gi authorization ma yaw ba se compulsory oine na bu mai tawge aduga ki timing tai trang ma tha bu election si kanogi agi center gi national magi independent body oine lebani na ICO ga tawga madugi extension do another 10-15 days gumbaga sangko ko yabra haibu yengaga ayam thuna hawhanna ba haitare honorable member gido instruct observe
Seizing the 0-hour opportunity of the assembly session, Thamaiban MLA Khumukcham Joy Kisan demanded proper investigation into 2016 Manipur Civil Services Combined Competitive Examination conducted by the MPSC. He said termination of many MCS and MPS candidates with requesting to off the examination is a big loss for the state as some deserving candidates passed the examination in a sincere manner. He condemned the MPSC chairman and secretary for maligning candidates imaged with their misconduct. MLA Joy Kisan demanded to investigate all the recruitment examinations held under the supervision of MPSC chairman and the secretary. He also pleaded to take back the terminated candidates.
Honorable High Court na CBI da sinaro madu tigalo haiba khoi MPC gi concern jing da hairabane ba moina SLP ma thajandana thigarandana leibani aduna sar akhoi ne darka leirisi ngasai gi chairman secretary ore me sing se machine involve toraga conduct togiba exam khuding mak se akhoi leiriba government se thigatfam akhoi gi applicant sing sina tharaktana High Court na lale aduna hariba miyoi sina aranba thabak towi isi High Court na haramina makoina atormiba ataisin du jokoi thiba da ka le huji yam nungai tri sa masida da successful ormiba candidate sing se makoi sing se ai loina ma aranba tormni thajati example am site to jage matam du MCS ta phawgi ba ai kendra leiba puja elangba me ben pi macha se sa MCS phangna ma UPSC thabra IS phangra bane maduna IS phangam de tari ma su ngasi tur le mi me am sida ijan ma mi am si yoram duram ne ba adel sa ai kendra ngang ni binita ngang bom masi mahudi ba amre executive ma te thabok su am phang ma se thar khuding mai pakcha ba hai tare ade executive officer oye aduna tab sa ai na thigat cha bada mioi kuntai thoi mu se central service ki job cho cho bu toramba Manipur ki department of taxation inspector mayam yauri bisa MCS phange MPS phange moi ki service mayam do surrender toraga moi thabok si tawjagri ne adubu case ama toksalapadi alan bale mati honorable hablo loin kat krep adu makoi ki status se hana Manipur government le masing si hanjan hanaba gumba ama lokhat pi di phanne bo moi humiliate program ne moi fall na tabida
Chief Minister Nongthaman Biren has assured that the state government will convene a cabinet meeting at the earliest and send a reminder to Home Minister Amit Shah to resolve the prevailing land disputes between Manipur and Nagaland at the border villages of Tungzoi and Khezakeno. He was responding to the calling attention motion raised by Suknu MLA Ki Ranjit on land controversy at Tungzoi village of Senapati district in Manipur and Khezakeno village of Phek district in Nagaland. He mentioned that a high-level committee comprising of 3 ministers even inspected the disputed area. MLA K. Ranjit appealed to the state government to urge the Surveyors General of India to carry out land demarcation of Nagaland and Manipur border at the earliest. Responding to the calling attention motion, Chief Minister N. Biren said that the land dispute of Tungzoi and Khezakeno villages has been ongoing for many years. He maintained that the state government appealed to the Surveyor General of India to conduct a survey in 1992, but no action has been taken till date. He asserted that the present government has even formed a high-level committee consisting of 3 ministers, relevant DC and SP, and representatives of civil society organizations in 2018 to look over the matter. Biren disclosed that the committee is holding a meeting with a Nagaland minister at Tungzoi tomorrow.
Somdana Koina, Chief Secretary level, Commissioner level, Minister Kayagi level, the Tawna Koi Somda, Masigi Matanda Committee, Semna Tauris, Fonda the Yenariba from City, already occupied Taura and Lauto, Tragasu, Taurabugum and the Shida, the diplomat Mayama. Then Masigi forces are Honorable CM, the Dinga Sai Habiba, Nagaland, Honorable Chief Minister Gavari, Sanari, Manasuyam Pazana Haikan, Nasutobea, there, Imunai Mutahanbaya, there. Pazava de Haiba, Adubu. Construction to riba mayam se sar masidi mafam du le riba khesa kheno gi praja sina sabang bagi right late paisa in terms of crore gi mathak sam ne hari ba development mayam se to matam masiam sena har gadi Nagaland gi sarkar yawroga to ri
this pushina maram moira kana sum exaggerate to ko yabgi akhoi ju pakhalam bani handaki keno sing na khoi khunja sing na tunjo gi khunja sing na salaga moi hornbill gi sabu thugaru budo as phadan ga thom madi gaina adu anyway Fatan with hope that Koina ornament member Hibi river the mina, Sigi am concerned me Amuk reminder winner, even Home Minister Masada, direct address Roga, Inanaba, even Tangai for the cabinet, Pama cabinet decision, Dr. Tana Toge, Amana Sagi Arhaina, Hyber Committee, C, Pam the Bamale to Togamana, generally, Siarmena. Mayam loina kaura committee phamadu nungai chairman ne aduga concern DC hoi kari hoi torkan sigi initiation se individual level da toba committee hoina pulap chataba adugi communication gap khara laiba hoini hujiki official gi channel se loira matung da committee gi kari tausi ge na khanaba matam da di meeting se soin tawne na khalli aduna hayeng gi phamni haiba chairman ne ngona piriba meeting gi joint meeting se sigi pawdu su ai soiduna ai honorable member da soi khangan jage.
Deputy Chief Minister Kim Namjoy Kumar inaugurated ICAR's 3-day state-level farmers' mela at Lamphel Port ICAR complex today. Speaking at the event, Kim Namjoy Kumar appreciated Central Agricultural University, Iroisemba, and ICAR Lamphel Port for the contribution in enhancing agricultural productions and hence increasing the farmers' income. The Deputy Chief Minister stressed on the need to promote agricultural sector in the state as it lacks industrial prospects. He also called upon ICAR and its allied departments to conserve originality of the products. Various agricultural produce, including organic products cultivated by ICAR Lamphel Port and its allied departments, were exhibited at around 50 stalls opened at the fair. CAU Vice Chancellor Professor M. Pramsit, Horticulture and Soil Conservation Commissioner M. Harikrishna and Director of ICAR Umyam Barapani, Dr. Vidyut C. Dekha took part in the event.
The indigenous items are the ones which have been grown at that particular place for years, for centuries, and those are the varieties which have tasted the time and are the most suitable ones. So let us keep in mind that while we look for variety or for improvement, let's try to mainly base our activities or concern keeping the local indigenous varieties, because that is very, very important. What unfortunately one is finding is that the local varieties is slowly losing and is disappearing. Let's take, for example, paddy. Earlier, the local varieties we used to have in Manipur, most of it are slowly vanishing.
People in the state continue to agitate against the Citizenship Amendment Act. Human rights activists and leaders of various students and civil society organizations carried out a protest demonstration against the act at Quiremban Market today. Protesters used various placards that read, "Withdraw Citizenship Amendment Act, CAA, and cannot be implemented in Northeast, etc." Police prevented the protesters from taking out a rally from Quiremban Market towards Tikangla Gate. Heated confrontation ensued between the protesters and the police. Finally, additional city police personnel arrived and dispersed the protesters. There is no report of any casualty during the scuffle.
mayam na khali se ILP phange haina CA sina ko effect tawroi haibadi simati khanbi ganu akoi mayam pulap thola ga haubai matam oire tumin na yum da phammaga kaisu tawroi na phambagi wakalondo adudi yam thina lale aduna mayam thokpirao akoi CA sina chaune am achauba chaiteng ma phangdora bane khange akoi threat yam leire adu nganga di phani ga punni ga haibagi threat mayam am leire adu oiba tarbasu akoi si mayam je resist tawba ma changin natradi yada base adum yade haina adum chat legragadi akoi achumba phongdopagi akoi da space to suglai leire aduna mayam ju thokpirao akoi mi amagi organization gi ihau nate mayam gi apunbagi khongjang ni mayam support tawbiro.
President of the Workers' Union Manipur, WUM, Waikob Ananda, has urged those concerned not to malign the image of laborers working under the union at the Food Corporation of the India FCI under a special contract. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Ananda said WUM applied for laborers' recruitment notice of November 23, published by Mathai Enterprises on local dailies, after which the union acquired the FCI contract. Subsequently, 113 laborers started working at enterprises on December 4. He termed it unfortunate that some people misled the public by claiming that FCI laborers have been exploited.
Ngasigi matungdagi aikoina FCI da thabak sujari basiga mari lainabada aikoigi sinmising da sokpa yaba hak sokpa yaba karigumba mafamsing lakpa matamda aikoigi press media gi khutang da aikoina yamna sumaina awok othong tawdana ngana sanabai thabak simadi ngasi aba numisdagi di bumgidi tawjaroi ado kanagumba atopa labi hori basingna pirakpa mot pirakpa matamda su aikoigi sinmising sigi hak manghandana pibirakani haibagi thajabadu thamjaraga ai mayamdagi tension jage.
Meanwhile, laborers of Food Corporation of India (FCI) continue their indefinite hunger strike against their exploitation and demanding the authorities concerned to re-recruit their laborers terminated by Mathai Enterprises. Agitating laborers with lock chains around their neck again carried out a protest demonstration in front of Manipur Rural Bank at Kesampat today. City police personnel rushed to the spot and arrested 15 protesters. Speaking to media, one protesting laborer urged the authorities concerned to ease the plights facing the daily wage earners and to suspend Mathai Enterprises at the earliest. He asserted that the laborers will continue their hunger strike until their demands are fulfilled.
ngahan overbridge mathakta mi Nepal ama adigi ani subadu Nepal mi tratu giena sangkhre adugi matungda khoi mi 35 ngasi sidibo khoi chara helage mafam ji khoi kangaga sirage na khoi mafam ji khoi changchel jarakuni khoi gi ngaksang je khoina juri pulliba si khoi mafam ji khoi lengdana khoi khauri charam me thapiraba khoi bu mafam ji khoi sirage khongjang ni sida changchen jarakuni khoi di dum sidibo khoi chara helage khoi gi chakhau lok thokpiraba khoi ji di sibaga chap manare mafam ji khoi kangadum sirage na khoi mafam ji changchen jarakuni ba.
Fast-track court crimes against women additional session judge Binin Ngangom has convicted a 40-year-old man accused of raping a girl child. The convict is Jingsong Mong Zhou alias Jingbong Zhou, son of Jingsong Hang from Tangpijong village under Singat police station in Jorchampo district. It may be mentioned that Jingsong Mong Zhou raped a minor girl near the toilet of the Science and Technology Department in 1998. Police were on the lookout for him after a complaint was filed by the victim's father at Imphal police station. After necessary investigation by the investigating officer of the case, a charge sheet was filed against Jingsong Mong Zhou on March 2002. Singat police finally arrested Jingsong Mong Zhou on October 24, 2016. He was produced before the court for the final hearing today, where the court convicted him under Indian Penal Code 376 after listening to the witnesses' statements and the convict's confession. Sentence hearing will be on December 30. Large amount of poppy plants good enough to produce 550 kg of opium worth around 3 crores 85 lakhs rupees were destroyed today. A combined team of Technopol District Police SP T.H. Bikramsit, NAB SP W. Basu and Officer of Forest Rents More Santos destroyed the illegal mass poppy plantation at Imol village in Technopol District. The poppy plants were found cultivated over a stretch of 55 acres of land. Technopol Police Station has registered a case against the incident. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Meghalaya Assembly adopting a resolution requesting the centre to promulgate the ILP. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. The Meghalaya Assembly on Thursday unanimously adopted a resolution urging the government of India to implement inner line permit in the state under the Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation 1873. The resolution was moved by Chief Minister Comrade K. Sangma, and all members across the party lines, including the ruling BJP, supported it. The one-day special session was conducted with the sole intention to pass the resolution in view of the demand by the indigenous residents of the state for implementation of the ILP. To the Northeast India, Myanmar Business and Educational Conclave 2019 kicked off at Manipur University Court Hall today. The conclave will focus on key areas to benefit both Myanmar and Northeast India under the ECIS policy. Impact News brings you a special report.
Manipur University, National Institute of Technology, Manipur, along with All Manipur Entrepreneurs Association, organized two-day Northeast India, Myanmar Business and Educational Conclave 2019. Member of National Education Policy Commission, Myanmar, Mong A, and many eminent pro-rectors and rectors of various FAM universities from various regions of Myanmar, including Mandalay, are participating in the conclave.
Historical relationship with Myanmar since antiquity. For many years, Indo-Myanmar relations were strong due to Myanmar previously having been a province of India, due to cultural links, flourishing commerce, common interest in regional affairs, and the presence of a significant Indian community in Myanmar.
Convener of the conclave's organizing committee, Director of Manipur Institute of Management Studies, MIMS, Manipur University, Professor C.S. Ivohul, expressed firm belief that academic collaboration and joint research by universities of Myanmar and Northeast India, including Manipur, will benefit both the countries.
We also can work together what kind of a appropriate technology we can just think about, and that way whatever is a developmental things to happen in this part of the region, the academia are supposed to play a key role to have a productive change to happen in this region.
Two different sessions were held on the first day of the conclave today. The first session was held on a theme Educational Institutions in Northeast India and Myanmar, the Way Forward, while the second session was held on a theme Business Practices in Northeast India and Myanmar, Opportunities and Challenges. Taking part in the conclave, Rector of Moniwa Universities of Economics, Myanmar, Professor Sowin stressed on the need for India and Myanmar to cooperate in bringing enhancing economic growth to both Myanmar and Northeast states of India.
It is much important to know each other, to understand each other, to solve any issues and problems together. According to my knowledge, main issues among various issues such as visa, border pass situation, custom duty, banking systems, money exchange, trade commodities registration, FDA recommendation, existing of one-stop service and securities of both regions.
Speaking on occasion, Manipur's renowned entrepreneur, chairman of Bavina Groups of Companies, Dr. T.S. Dovley said ties between India and Myanmar has been strengthened with the advent of Act East policy. However, he stressed on the need to improve transportation facility between the two countries. Dr. T.S. Dovley said traveling to Myanmar is easy as there is e-visa system in the country. He drew the attention of the authority concerned to make e-visa system available in India to facilitate Myanmaris visiting the country.
In the last few years, we have seen flights from Mandalay to Imphal, but most of the flights were chartered flights. But now, if that chartered flight can be converted into a scheduled flight, things will be again different. And giving the Indians the e-visa, online e-visa system, and that makes things much easier. But on the other side, Myanmar is willing to come to India. They have to go to the embassy or to the consulate and then get the visa. I think this area, the concerned authorities in India needs to look into this. We see that there are two tariff systems applied in Myanmar, that if you are a foreigner, the charges in hotel will be higher. And then even in the bus travel also, these charges are higher. And then we would like to request the Myanmari counterparts, the competent authorities, to look into this so that the differences are minimized, if at all it is there. And the big difference of almost double the price is also pressure on those visitors going to Myanmar from Indian side.
After the sessions, a panel discussion was held on a theme developing Northeast India and Myanmar, a vibrant region for education and human resource development in the light of India's Act East policy. Dean of School of Social Sciences, Manipur University, Professor G.P. Prasan said Myanmar requires technical manpower to utilize its natural resources. He opined that technical manpower of India can benefit both the countries.
Myanmar is a very rich country in terms of forest resources, mineral resources, and water resources. We are close neighbor of Myanmar. In Manipur, we have many highly educated manpower in the field of education, in the field of technology, in the field of medical and other areas. The natural resources which are found in Myanmar are underutilized, are not exploited because they have limited technical manpower and technical know-how. As a close neighbor, we can help to the Myanmar in exploiting, in utilizing those natural resources to make it finished products, and those goods may be sold either in Myanmar, in other Southeast Asian country, or also in India.
Dignitaries from Myanmar will also go on a field visit for academic and business interaction at Bhavina Diagnostic Porompat, NIT Langol and Slope Lane Public School as part of the conclave tomorrow. With camera person El Kabi, this is Ketramayum Premchan, Impact News, Imphal.
Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan has distributed plastic water tanks to 130 widows. Water tanks were presented to selected beneficiaries from different parts of the state at an event held at MP's residence at Kongba in Imphal East District yesterday. Speaking on the sidelines, Dr. R.K. Ranjan said he distributed the water tanks from MLA Local Area Development Fund under Prime Minister Narendra Modi's initiative, stating that 250 water tanks have been distributed to beneficiaries so far. He declared that water tanks will be distributed to widows beneficiaries of Sagolban constituency on December 22. Chairman of Autonomous District Council, ADC Chandalt, D. Ringo Lamkang inaugurated a newly constructed barrack-type teachers' quarter of Oklu Primary School at Oklu Village in Chandal District today. The quarter, consisting of 8 rooms with bathroom, toilet and water reservoir, was constructed by ADC Chandalt under SPA Special Plan Assistant 2018-19. One-day district-level workshop on boosting routine immunization generation, bridge and IPC guide for ASA workers was held at the election counting hall of Thobal DC complex today. District Family Welfare Office, Thobal, organized the workshop under the aegis of District Health Society, Thobal. District Family Welfare Officer Dr. K.S.H. Memcha and other resource persons enlightened the attendees on the significance of immunization. One-day district-level workshop on child trafficking was held at Jaffo Village Community Hall of Chandal District. National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, Manipur State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, and Seva Bharati Manipur organized the workshop. SP Chandal and Madhu Nimai, ADC Dr. A. Chinglem Khomba, and member of the MCPCR, K.H. Jitendra, raised awareness on child trafficking at the workshop. One-day sensitization program on addiction, alcoholism, and its treatment process was held at Phobak Chau, Komla Khong, Jagadaba, Leirak in Imphal is today. Right leaving de-addiction center Mayank Imphal along with Youth Development and Anti-Drug Committee Phawak Chow Komlakhong Jagadaba Leirak organized the program. Speaking on the occasion, Assistant Secretary General of Youth Development and Anti-Drug Committee Muhammad Amir Khan said that the committee has taken pivotal roles to curb drug menace in and around the locality for many years. He urged the state government to announce its strategy to curb drug menace in the state and to extend necessary assistance to anti-drug organizations and associations of the state.
Pagi samaj asida drug na manghaliba mayam asibo matau kramna kangedage amadi drug asibo samaj asidagi matau kramna muthatkadabage haibagi matangda pangthokpa awareness program ni Manipur da hujik oriba drug ki problem asi akoi sarkar na miyeng khara sanganingi haibadi lamta masida leriba naha sing asi nongmadi soidana drug na mangkhargani koi yamdrabata mioi kaya afaba lambida drug tagi nathaiduna amadi afaba lambida purakhiba mayam laikharbani maramaduna hairiba committee asidasu Manipur gi hujik leriba government asidagi
Lausal Manipur along with Lausal Kairak Unit and the Manipur Organic Mission Agency MOMA held an awareness program on organic products for Taubalt and Kakching district today. A poster campaign, hoarding street corner meeting and publicity stunt were also held as part of the program. Resource persons stressed on the pros and cons of using chemical fertilizers and benefits of organic farming at the event held at Kairak Yawabung Market. Member of Wabagai Jila Parisad M. Jayanta, Pradhan of Kairak Gram Panchayat E. Santi Lema and President of Lausal Manipur Mutum Churamani took part in the event. JSPL Foundation Delhi has accorded outstanding award to the Secretary of Old Lotak Lake Areas Fishermen Union Manipur, Oinam Drasen. The award was given in acknowledgement for his outstanding role in providing education to school dropouts by opening Lotak Lake Elementary School at Champu Kangpok Floating Village on the Lotak Lake. The award distribution ceremony was held at Delhi yesterday. All Manipur Muslim Organization Coordinating Committee has inducted 21 new office bearers. The newly elected members are M.K. Ibosana as President, Rizwan Sheikh as General Secretary, and Nawaz Moizing Mayumt as Media Coordinator. The new executive members will carry out all the activities under the committee henceforth. Baptist Church of Tlabi village inhabited by Marine community located 26 kilometers away from Imphal Mori Road held its Golden Jubilee celebration today. A new church building was also inaugurated on the occasion. MLA D. Korontang and villagers of various communities residing around the village attended the event. Village Chairman T.H. Anka unveiled the Golden Jubilee Memorial Stone. A Cookie film named Journalist Lamboy produced under Cookie Film Development Association KUFIDA was released today. Producer of the Impact TV Cookie channel, Khailung Khongsai is the executive producer and Anay Lungking is the co-producer of the film. Saitu constituency MLA Nangthang Haokit, Singat constituency MLA Jingsung Haojao graced the event held at Lodestar Public School in Khongsai Veng. Secretary to Chief Minister in a press release informed that the combined Hill Leaders Day and People's Day earlier scheduled to be held on December 21 has been postponed indefinitely due to unforeseen circumstances. Now the sports news. FC Lamzao Kakching and Trao Kwakatel entered the pre-quarterfinals of the ongoing 62nd Sir Chorchan Singh KCSI CBE Memorial Invitation Football Tournament. FC Lamzao Kakching defeated DM Trao Sekmai by 5-4 in the 17th match of the tournament played this afternoon at Imphal Polo Ground. In the 18th match of the tournament played today, Trao Kwakatel defeated JSYC Kampopi by 3-0. For the winning team, KH Krishnananda scored 2 goals in the 17th and 44th minute, and KSW Topi scored the 3rd goal in the 55th minute. 32 football teams, including 2 teams from outside the state and 30 from various parts of Manipur are participating in the knockout basis invitation football tournament held under All Manipur Football Association. YUFC Tengray Ukrult will lock horns with Mumbai-linked athletes tomorrow in the 19th match, and Nisa Thangmayband will play against UKB Chorchampur in the 20th match of the tournament. Rajkumar Sanahal Singh Memorial Manipur University Inter-College Thangta Men's, Women's and Inter-College Mukna Tournament 2019-20 was held at Kumbi College in Bishnupur district today. Kumbi College organized the Inter-College Tournament under the aegis of the Manipur University. Students from various colleges took part in the Thangta and Mukna tournament. 25 players, including girls from 11 colleges, took part in the Thangta event, while 25 boys from 8 colleges took part in the Mukna event. Results of this 72nd Men's and 35th Women's Senior National Weightlifting Championship selection trials held on December 14th may be obtained from Manipur Weightlifting Association Imphal office. The championship will be held from February 2 to 7, 2020. Award distribution ceremony of the 6th annual sports meet of jailed inmates of Manipur Central Jail was held today. The sports meet was held from December 2 till 16. Additional DCP President D. Daugold, Superintendent of Central Jail Imphal A. Kunzakishore, and Superintendent of Manipur Central Jail Saziwa S. Dautang graced the event. Various games and sports such as volleyball, badminton, tug of war, shot put, gambron, etc. were played during the sports meet. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur Legislative Assembly unanimously reaffirms resolution to stand against disintegration of Manipur or creation of administrative autonomy in Manipur by Naga peace talk final settlement. Thangmayband MLA Khumukcham Joy Kisan raises concerned over enlisting of non-residents in electoral roll. Chief Minister N. Biren says reminder will be sent to Home Minister Amit Shah to resolve prevailing land disputes between Manipur's Chungjoy and Nagaland's Khezakeno. And Deputy Chief Minister Gimnam Joy Kumar inaugurates 3-day state-level farmers' mela at ICAR complex Lumpel Park.